Sometimes in life, for some people, for many people, we feel afraid of ourselves, or we are afraid to be alone. We need to go more deep again to our root. The simple things that we can do is to ask to ourselves, who am I? And when we ask ourselves, it's a big step to going in. Who am I? And the good way to answer is to write it down on your journal or on your paper. You may write anything that you feel, anything that you see with freedom feeling. Feel free to write anything. Anything good, anything not good yet, what you like, what you really want to do, really wish to do, and all the stupid things that you're doing. And write it. Give a space. Allow yourself to know who you are. After you write it, you will feel the difference. Your happiness is not about something from outside. Your happiness is about something from inside. After you write this, so when you write it every morning, every day. So universe give us 24 hours. Why didn't we give universe, which is our body self, itself, 5 minutes every day to meet our own body? So we back to our theme about to not afraid to ourselves is to write down. Every single day we breathe, every single second, we don't know. We breathe, it means we need to take in and breathe out. It's same like we need to see ourselves in, so we have to be able to bring out what good or what not good yet, to free ourselves from anything. And the second things about why we feel alone, why we are afraid to be alone. There is also some other effect, like some trauma that we carry on, either from now in this present life, since you're inside mom's bellies, or when you're small, or when you're until now, that still carry on, that still tied up ourselves, that we need to release it. Trauma can be also from past life. I working a lot with my clients about to free the trauma from past life, because sometimes we feel like nothing happened. We see that our family is good, We eating good, we living good, we have things are going good, but why I always feel something empty or loose in myself? This is we carry on something in the past life that is not finished yet. We feel the soul that living in us in another body, in another living beings that not finished yet. Then we need to see this. So many times in my water channeling is a traveling a ceremony to traveling deep to your soul to see who you are in deeply. It's coming from, it's a gift, it's from my tribes to going in deep. This is also one of the way to know about yourself. And these things about writing is also one of the second things that again I always tell to my client to write more about themselves, to clean. When you are writing about your feeling, your intuition, your thinking mind, then you clean yourself, you organize your mind, you organize your feeling, you organize your intuition, which is all this is a gift that we need to put in the right box. Do we need to put it in the trash bin, or do we need to still keep it in our almari? If it's not, if it's in our almari, which our mind is full, we need to move it out, and new things will coming again. So writing is a really good therapy for us to feel full ourselves, to feel full the feeling of I am living with other living beings. I'm not alone. The second thing that is also important in our life is we need to also to breathe. We are living nowadays with too much rust until we feel empty, we feel alone, we feel like, oh, what the meaning of what I am doing? Because it's too fast, because it's too rust. We need to sit down or lie down or so 5 minutes every day to just listen to our breath, to listen every second. When you focus to listen on your breath, then you will feel that you are here, you with yourself, your mind, your soul, and your body become one. This is called a meditation. Meditation no need to be in a certain point of sitting down. It can be happen anytime in your life when you start to listen, to recenter, to listen to your breath. Then you are become present. You are be with yourself in the same moment, in the same second. This is also one of the tools that you can use for feel you are not alone, you are with other living beings, and all the living beings around you is also helping. The third things that you can do also is when you feel alone, when you feel afraid to yourself, just go to nature. Be alone. This is a secret of the happiness. This is the way to refill yourself, the way to reconnect yourself, your soul to nature. It's like trees, it's like bird, it's like ant. They are all grow in silence. So one thing you can do is just go to resonance, to receiving the energy, the vibration from the tree. To be strong. You can hug a tree, you can just sit under the tree, and then you will receiving the strongs, the vibration from the tree, from the forest to yourself. Also goes to river, because when you feel alone, when you are in heavy time, your blood is stuck. So also you can go to the river and just see and feel and listen to the flow of the river, and you become relaxed. You become, because your blood is repeating, it's also moving like a river. This is the great medicine for ourselves, for our body, for our mind. When we feel alone, when we feel afraid of ourselves. For more information, and if you want to do a consultation, you may also contact me in my channel, and I will give you my personal contact, and we can talk more about this in person. Thank you so much.